Hello everyone, my name is Tarun Patel and I am specialized in routing and switching technology. Today I let you know the importance of SNMP, like why we need it and what is the importance of this protocol, which is known as Simple Network Management Protocol. So this is designed to manage and monitor your overall network. So this is going to be managed or monitored from a remote machine, which is known as SNMP Manager, and this machine is also known with the name Network Management System. So if you want to manage your network from sitting on a remote machine and want to see that what is going on in your network devices, then you can go for SNMP, which is Simple Network Management Protocols. Now the question is, why do you really need this SNMP in the network? So if you see these kind of question you regularly getting from your client, like your client is complaining that I'm not able to open my web page, my Skype is very slow, it's take a long time to open all these files. So how would you know that this problem is really going on, and what is the issue which is creating this kind of problem? So those type of problem you can solve by collecting the information with the help of SNMP. So SNMP will be the rescue if you want to solve this problem. In order to understand SNMP, you have to know what are the various components of SNMP and how these component is interacting with each other. So the SNMP component is divided in 4 parts. The first one is known as Network Management Station. So this is going to be retrieve information from managed device. So managed device could be a router and multi-layer switch. So with this network management system, you are sending the messages and getting information from managed device. The second component is managed device, which is managed via network management station. The third component, you have SNMP agent. So agent is the software which is going to be run in managed device, which is collecting the information and going to be stored in a database which is known as MIB. So MIB stands for Management Information Base. What it do, this is going to be store the information in the form of variable in a hierarchical manner. So these are the 4 basic components you have to know to manage SNMP. Next question is how these two network management system and managed device are communicating. So that means you have to know the SNMP messages. So for example, if network management system want to know or want to query that what is the information available on interface, so it can send the message get request. So get request message is going from network management station to managed device. So how the managed device is going to reply? This will sending the get response. Since this get request message is browsing one variable at a time, for example, I want to see what is the bandwidth of interface, so I'm sending one request message. Later on, I want to check how many packet is going through the interface, so then I'm sending the second message, which is get next request, and then the reply I'm getting with the help of get response. So these are the messages is used to retrieve the information from management device and then sending reply back to management station. The next message, you have the trap and inform. So trap, basically what you're doing, you are giving the instruction to this router or multi-layer switch that, for example, if you want like if my router is consuming the CPU cycles more than 60%, so you can give the instruction that send me the trap message or alert message to network management station. Then you have also the inform. So what is the main difference between trap and inform? So both is doing the same action, sending the alert message to network management station, but trap when the device or network management this managed device sending the trap message to network management station. So this is not acknowledged. So if you want also the acknowledgement, so you're sending router sending the alert message, so it also want to confirm that this message is received via the station or server. So that is you can use with the help of inform. So this inform message belongs to SNMP version 2, wherever this trap message belongs to SNMP version 1. Now, since SNMP is going to be manage the complete network, all router and switches, so it is very important to configure SNMP with appropriate security level. So SNMP overall is divided in 3 various versions: version 1, version 2 and version 3. But in version 1 and 2 there is no security is added, so it is only using a plain text community string but not secure. Then in order to improve or solve this problem, version 3 is designed. So in version 3 is using 3 level of security. So by default there is no security, meaning no authentication, no privacy. So simple, it is using username database to secure the SNMP database, but that is not secure at all. So what we also want to add authentication and privacy. So the second level is known as authentication and no privacy, meaning if you want to authenticate your SNMP packet, so you can use the 2 basic algorithm, which is MD5 or SHA. So as long as your application support SHA, so it is always recommended go for SHA algorithm because it is more stronger than MD5. Then finally, this is the most secure models. You have also the authentication and privacy. So this is recommended. So whenever you're going to be configure SNMP, make sure you are configuring with SNMP version 3 with the security model, authentication and privacy. So for authentication it is recommended go for SHA, and for encryption it is recommended go for advanced encryption standards. So far you know the importance of SNMP, why we need it, what are the messages, what are the components and what level of security is recommended. Now let us do real-time testing with me in the next video. Thank you.